in a battle against your own mind. You're in a battle against thought patterns, paradigms. There's like construction workers inside your subconscious working against you, because that's what you've trained those construction workers to do. That's like, if you can see this image in your own head, it's not about you against somebody else. It's not about me against you. It's about you against your own mind, your own thinking. That's where the battle must be won. You conquer this. Yes, it's a process, my friend. I'm telling you, it is a process. It's definitely a process. I work on my mind every single day. Freedom, a greater sense of well-being, inner joy, confidence, strength. The ability to face your fears. Am I afraid? Do I get intimidated? Do I get distracted sometimes? Do I lose my train of thought sometimes? Do I make mistakes? Of course I do. Most people, they hide when these things begin to happen. We don't want to feel the pain. We don't want to experience the pressure. And that's the problem with people. That's the problem today. We've been so conditioned by a culture, by a family life, by our upbringing. I grew up, my upbringing was very, very difficult. Very difficult. I mean, it was abusive. Very, very abusive, and very, very emotional and in reckless ways. In particular, my dad and a few other family members. I'm not going to get into that in this video, but that's where I came from. So all of these things that you and I are facing today, these construction workers that are in your mind working, we gotta replace those construction workers. Is what we need to do. I'm telling you, my friend, if you want to be happier. By the way, this is SantosJr. here, aka Soldier of Self-Mastery, on a Friday morning. Excited about what's happening on YouTube. Excited about the Problem Gambling Breakthrough Academy. Excited about my book. You know, this is not it's actually a smaller version now. I've been reading. This is an unedited version, so when I read from it, there's mistakes in it. But I'm telling you, there's still some great things in this book. And I'm encouraging you to get your copy. The link will be below. So this battle, you absolutely must conquer. You absolutely must conquer the battle that is going on in your head. If you're going to do anything, you want to go forward, you want to know where to start. Most people don't even know. They're so wrecked up that they don't even know where to start. They say, man, I don't even know where to start. You talk to some people, they've got so many problems, so many issues. They're not happy. They don't have any confidence. They can't really stop to think.